Good morning, guys. It's Ride with Gong again. I'm here to show you uh, itong bagong bili kong cabin filter and air filter ng Vios natin. So, I will show you why papalitan natin. And na-notice ko kasi with other brands owned namin before, especially Isuzu, Toyota, Mitsubishi, hindi sila nagpapalit ng every 6 months or 1 year sa filters. When compared sa Ford namin, strict sila. Halos every 6 months nire-recommend nila na magpalit ng mga filters. So, after owning and became one of their sales consultant before, nakita ko yung importance. So, papakita ko ngayon when pagpalit natin, bakit natin papalitan every 6 months or 1 year. So, di na natin patagtagalin, guys, and tingnan natin.
So ito guys, unbox na natin guys. Tama. Dalawa to guys kasi one is para sa samahan ko sa work. So ito siya guys. Ito yung akin. So yan. Ito yung air filter, ito yung cabin filter. Tignan natin. Air filter. Cabin filter. Yan. So yan, may sticker pa. So lalagay natin to para when natin i-replace. So na-unbox na natin. Tanggalin na natin at ipakita ko sa inyo why we should change it. Replace it. So ito guys, buksan na natin. Palitan natin. Papakita ko sa inyo why palitan natin. Yan, see? Last palit ko nito was 1 year ago. So, very dusty. Pero I think 6 months ago, nabuksan ko yan. And binugahan ng spray. Paano na lang kung hindi, wala. So, important talaga siya guys. Yun. So, yung cabin filter, tanggalin ko na lang. Pakita ko na lang agad. So, ito siya guys. Kita niyo yung difference. Maitim na siya. Ganito siya dati. Tinanggal din ko din to mga September nung paglabas ni baby sa hospital. And papalit ko to. Lalakas din yung AC niya nito guys. So yan guys. Remember, clean nyo, replace your cabin filter and AC filter. As recommended 6 months to 1 year. Kasi ayaw yung nag-grow kasi yung bacteria dito tapos yun na yung binubuga sa aircon. Para malinis yung engine natin tsaka yung loob natin sa sasakyan. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Happy New Year.